Okay, so I'm going to teach you an easy way to reduce fractions. A lot of people have trouble with this. They look at a fraction and they don't think about how it can be reduced. So one of the ways that I like to teach students is to get the numerator and denominator in terms of their factors and then see which ones they have in common, and then you can cross out the ones they have in common. So for example, 6 can be written as 2 times 3, and 8 can be written as 2 times 4. So if you notice, the 2 is the common factor, and it will cross out, and you will be left with 3/4. Sometimes if I have a 6/8, I'll just do my 2 times 3 and my 2 times 4 there, cross out the 2's, and I know I have 3/4 left over. Okay? On something like this, because the 6 is being multiplied by x plus 2, you can still reduce the 6 and the 8. So we found that it was 3/4 up there. So it still reduces to 3/4. And you can still do your 2 times 3, 2 times 4, cross out your 2's, you got your 3 and your 4 left. Okay? The x plus 2 does not divide out with anything. Even though there's a 2 and a 4 there, this x plus 2 is one term. It belongs together. Okay? So this 2, you cannot separate it from that x. So this is the final answer. That would be reduced. Okay, now, if you have the situation where you have an x plus 2 and an x plus 2, both in numerator and denominator, then yes, you can cross out the x plus 2. And then the 6/8 becomes 3/4. Whenever something completely crosses out, it becomes a 1. So 6 times 1 is 6, 8 times 1 is 8, and they reduce to 3/4. Okay? And this, I meant to put an 8 there. This one, I just wanted to show you that even though this is an x minus 1 and an x plus 2, they both have an x. The only thing x minus 1 can cancel out with is another x minus 1. The only thing an x plus 2 can cancel out with is another x plus 2, like this. So these will not reduce at all. Okay, I have a lot of students that want to cross out these two x's, and I don't know, it just, don't do that. Okay, this term needs to have another x minus 1 in the denominator for it to be able to be crossed out. So 6/8 is 3/4. So this problem would reduce down to, whoops, to that. And so all of these are examples of what you would get if you reduce the fractions I have listed here. Okay, that's it. Reducing fractions. Thank you. Bye.